Hi everyone. In today's episode, we are going to introduce the power of self-created sound, voice, and humming. The human voice is the most healing instrument that exists. It doesn't require any electricity, and everybody has one. But our approach to the human voice has nothing to do with singing. We are talking about using the voice as a tool for frequency shifting. We can all use our voice in this manner as a tool for resonance and healing. The easiest vocal sound is the hum. Despite its simplicity, there is a great power in humming and is something everyone can do. It is universal. Humming is a great technique for self-resonance and is the best way to do a sonic massage. The benefits of humming are many. It's useful for relaxation and insomnia, stress reduction, improved blood flow, pain relief, and also physiological benefits like increasing melatonin levels and nitric oxide. As well, is an easy practice that you can do everywhere. In today's practice, I'm going to introduce you two different techniques on humming. The first one is the easiest and consists in doing a couple of deep breathings and then start humming, just like that. Make sure your body posture is straight. That would be the easiest way to hum. Then the second technique is called yogic humming or Brahmari Pranayama, which consists on humming, as I showed you previously, and blocking your ears. So these two techniques are the greatest way to get an internal sonic massage. And now, before we start the activity, make sure you are staying in a comfortable place, sitting correctly with a straight body posture, especially in your back, keeping your back straight, but not tense. And try to do it for around 5 minutes. And now, before we start the activity, let's chant a Om. Enjoy the benefits of humming. See you in a bit. Conscious humming. I have included a recording of many people sounding a hum. that you may find useful to play in the background while doing the conscious humming exercise and the following yogic humming exercise. And now, I would like you to close your eyes, begin to breathe nice and deeply, then begin to hum and become aware of where the sound is vibrating in your body. You might feel it in your throat, you might feel it in your sinus cabinet, you might feel it in your brain, you might feel it anywhere in your body. Keep repeating this practice for around 5 minutes. When you finish, take 5 minutes break and just stay in this space for a moment. Check yourself out. Do you notice any difference in the way you feel? Hi again. I hope you had a great time practicing the humming. Before we close the activity, we're going to chant a nom. Please give us a thumbs up, click and subscribe, and hopefully see you very soon. Stay safe and well.